Enti honorable Kwame Baffa Abronye, lawyer, Bron Regional BP chairman, only Kevin Ekobedi Taylor abe clashɛs. Efa attemdidie bi a Kevin Taylor sebi, wabedi Kuffour. Abronye say on tiase, only Kevin Taylor enya adwente no nso abe clash with him. Serious one. Memo nchire mo no akire wa adwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess wa say ni mo. Obe like video no other but subscribe button so na be click bell notification icon no full latest update. Aba kire wa adwen amame. Ewo comment section. Mess so ba so no akire up so enya bi ahye. Enti Ghana ya tena ho ama Kevin Taylor a change the face of Ghana politics. Ama now insults abeye common thing. Insult abeye common thing in politics because Kevin Taylor anytime say nkwaseasɛm we nyina dia tem Emma on several occasions Kevin Taylor dia go for tem bebrebe he we di na tem bebrebe was na Kuffour we special charges na oyare Kuffour we achichide just ensem wa Kevin Taylor kan tell Kuffour no enya simkuma in fact attend dey we di ni bi pa we di ni bi na nansia mu ana Kevin Taylor esa ba biem na I was o chiro Kuffour enya adwuma bi organa ha no mo na Kuffour kwa na adwen kwa say ye Kuffour say ohunu nyansa adwen eni ni tirim na adwen ya hohoro adwen no yes ensem wa Kevin Taylor attack ya already on a Kuffour no in fact insult na anu wa chitire point me ntimi emmo ewo ha no but asem wa Kevin Taylor ka chire Kuffour no na eni so pa eni enya Kuffour wie na adwuma otifi ehome but still Kevin Taylor try show na odi na tem na eno ana Kwame Baffa Abronye ene Kevin Taylor abe clash na witness ma oka kire no
ya sete record susuri ni yagu na ni mo se Akufo Addo anadwene ahohoro. That is Kevin Taylor for you. President Kuffour enye hwema asanteman na President Kuffour ntimi nya bibi ba akokora mfa nkire wo asante region. Ena nwumre se otie video we ya sa propaganda na omo ye ma asantefo binum gidi ya o mampia nkwankoto aba no na enkunumdie ba andisi afamwie ye no yaka kire ne se ontoa so nguso enidi asantefo atem ne edi kan so for lie interchange or see Kuffour nya bibibia mfa nkire e wa asante region so for lie interchange producer fa kire ahwefo so for lie interchange or see project ba kokora ni asante region Kuffour betimi di akira memetina anwumre akire project Kuffour aye nti producer fa so for lie interchange kire na manfo compare meme show ni Kevin Taylor show fa so for lie interchange kire manfo or see ope Kuffour project ba ko we so for lie interchange ya former president Kuffour ena yeye edema asantemai ose ba ko mama no one asafo interchange producer fatoso sama omo asafo interchange yes asafo interchange we ewo Kumasi president Kuffour enesiye ne nsa no adwuma no ma omo asokwa interchange fama omo yes asokwa interchange we president Kuffour ne nsa no adwuma no nti o say Kuffour ni project ba akokora wo asante mantamu a me ka kiro na fe producer ye nweye ko Kolongo Odomase hospital no na mame publication no mame publication answer mame publication na etrese Kuffour na starte Kolongo Odomase hospital no Ghana web publication no Ghana web fatoso no bia hu se eye Kuffour na starte Tepa district hospital Kuffour na starte Kolongo Odomase district hospital Kuffour na starte Sewia hospital no ni nyina my Ghana web publication no date ni bibia na manfo very good where Wednesday 12th November 2008 estimate for 2009 fiscal year expected to be read where Ghana web publication now to a publication is what or say the House approved several loan facilities for various projects, including a credit agreement of $339 million for the construction and equipping of 2 regional and 6 district hospitals. The hospital to be constructed and equipped are Wa Regional Hospital and Kumasi Regional Hospitals. Wenti and then the corn sokono, a time district, Salaga, Tepa, Kuffour Praso, Adenta Medina, Kolongo Odomase Hospital. Enti evidence base and a mediama mui. Evidence base and a mediama mui. Enti fa Kolongo Odomase Hospital netoswo. Enti me mo say President Kuffour and a static Kolongo Odomase District Hospital no. On a static Tepa. On a static Seria Dieno. Enyina wo ni nyina ye Asante region. On a static ye and NDC ba 8 years 2009 to 2016 wo mo abandon sa hospital ni nyina. O mampanyiri na Addo danko Akufo Addo ne be complete Kuffour hospital no Kolongo Odomase na Addo ne ko commission ye wie ye commission ye Seria de no on ne ko commission ye tepade enyina ye na ebe complete enti fa Kolongo Odomase de ne to so man hwe producer eniwa no ahwe tepade no publication ye kre enti Kuffour sa no adwuma ana Seria de ne nyina pictures ne ya available Kuffour sa no adwuma wo si project ba kokora ni wa wo pede a kire no interchange e wa Asante region mama clear publication ya kire say o mampanyini Kuffour ne koski obosia aye irogate the invest at the bar o man Ghana $339 million loan facility at the buyer am I the best starting say we are as a Kolongo Odomase Wa Regional Adenta Medina Hospital a Kuffour sa no adwuma yeda no de mo acknowledge ye na the same period the Asante region there Kevin Taylor say enye Kuffour nti anwumre me expose say so no enya aboa ne kwasea anya na Ghana for pare na mo Ghana for panie ye man kwan se omu mine na o mine resources no or the taxpayers money ye use ni ye because we yakwaje bosia na bosia na yakwaje ye Ghana for e na eba be ye adwuma ye den atua enti bosia na yakwaje ye no hospitals na ba na emai e different Kuffour a pencil start here and this by 8 years no mama Kolongo Odomase tepani wantini nsoko nyina atiase se eye MPP project enti mun complete eye na Addo danko Akufo Addo ne complete time district hospital na ye nsoko na Addo ne complete ye because mo ka say Kuffour project enti mun ko ho na Addo ne complete Kolongo Odomase de because mo fi say Kuffour project mun ko ho Wa Regional Hospital mo fi say Kuffour project mun ko ho Asante region say we are the no fi say Kuffour project mun ko ho mama the evidence pictures in go producer be man we o si we for yes Kolongo Odomase and in the go no evidence base until nanamon kan kire enipa na oto ne say onya research bia no nima de kura friend research and one so nya nkrofo video a and no picture no do ma beto so sabi we nim nyansa we ya say no adu o matem ya o mayan ko ne debate say ya MPP project and DC project yan ko no educational project under MPP educational project wo the producer fato nche ya hu ne nyina what you say anti Kevin Taylor so e be ma onyi aboa ne kwasea ne mfrim ana asantefo ye say ana we ya ye say ana sikadwa hunahunam anyway onyi mfro na yankwa no MPP hospitals e wo Ghana ha e ba hospital sia amanyoko no mienu e wo Ghana ha ne wasibi from Kuffour pencil wabedi ni 8 years okọ monso maba JM ne Professor Miss 8 years mokọ na Addo aba 8 years waba yenya comparison hospitals ya ni watima si hospital ni watima expand hospital ayi project e wo man Ghana ha no yenya sa debate no region by region found the bra e batchem compana enkura hodo MPP 8 years yenya sa debate no na wenim nyansa we free Asante region wa yese ne de ye no nya sa debate ni because eno no tama papa tete wo say ye di yes adwuma ne ye nyina hobi tama papa tete wo say wunya akwanya eye hate speech ni atemdidie na president mama timi kase ya ye wo Ghana ha no obema o ma ba bachiye obema o ma track ya ba bachi wo mo na mo ontimi nkase o ba track ya kwoti Kevin Taylor all because Kevin Taylor ye adwuma na obi di ni show amona. It has been alleged someone among finance Kevin Taylor show no. Not that show no, or did it a whole region attempt, or did it a whole tribe attempt. Hate speech ya Kevin Taylor yeno, and no President Mahama won't condemn. Namo, or Timima specific instructions say, and Maya be a mansia, or Makasati and Omunquatino. But obedient show, I targeted particular tribe. Na da bia sa tribe no na odu o matem eno dia president mama hu say e betimi di asema ba president mama hu ye say Kevin Taylor show na da bia no odi di asantefo atem odi di asantefo atem odi di asantefo atem be duru ba bia e betim di ntokwa ba Ghana ohun ye na mom obi trati talk so kira na adwena president mama say e ha no enti monko pani pakro no mfa nkotum me tra kire madwena president mama say e ha no say me tia me kire madwene enti omonko detain me some days na ne ho nto no e basa auto party but Kevin Taylor timi tenase e kasa region we mu ni party say region we num ye say region ye mu ye say he's doing that in the name of democracy now. Yenya no eno dia president mama hu hate speech partner a woman e betim di tribal war abagana no hu ye not a single day and a president mama be ka chere say or kwaro Kevin Taylor to order na mom da bia odi asantefo animu twitwi fam no eye okay for NDC eye okay for president Mahama ne na ban said da bia no Kevin Taylor am fa santeman animu twitwi fam for animu twitwi fam now ose Kuffour project onhu ye tie the project ni bia kire no fine mabobo bia kire evidence base me dia kire no ose Addo danko Akufo Addo enye hwe owie ye no de ko Addo so say Addo nya hwe wo Asante region ne edi kan before the introduction before ansana ye be introduce agenda 111 ewo COVID period no Addo danko Akufo Addo in Asante region for the first time. So be about the first 4 years. Obejina ne naso I see 7 district hospital. Akesi district hospital. And this outras our first 7 district hospital now. Addo see ye ewo Asante region and agenda 111 no. And the Kevin Taylor so hu hwe producer Friasia hwehwe court complex in pictures in the toy baba show court complex court of appeal judges wo mo bangalo ne bibibia bangalo Addo danko Akufo Addo asi we pictures in gu ho court of appeal judges on babi on betna e wo Kumase e wo Asante region Addo kokomsie priase e pictures in gu ho ewo ye be show akire ye be yi no last e de akire so ase bibibia Addo so ofiri president Kuffour so anema be gu nanim ase no me owie ya no tisi because enam say yenya ka kire no say ne onkase na oka ono ankasa ntenase enye research nti media me ye research nti minim ne America na Addo dampo Akufo Addo before ansana oba introduce agenda 111 no na Asante region alone because ene me gina Asante region Kevin Taylor pa o man ka say yenkwa Western region Kevin Taylor pa on ka say yenkwa Western North no misa me say hospital be na Akufo Addo see ye me the evidence remember o man yenkwa Western region no misa me say hospital be na Akufo Addo see ye me the evidence remember o man yenkwa Eastern region no misa me sa o man yenkwa all other regions no misa me na me so me wia na makatire se me de aba and this is so dear omode buy 2009 to 2016 show because ye de na show won't show ebi ni wasa and nay me show hospitals ya Kuffour esiye me de dance aba me be show hospitals ya na Addo see ye ehwa dance ye Kevin Taylor trasia onyai aboa kwasia unim nyansa no now hospitals ya President Mahama si wa Asante region no amona moye bibia ma Asante man no o ma Asante man hu interchanges ya President Mahama na de ma Asante man a odi gold na ye kotar no Kevin Taylor sun show e won screen ni so because ukoko yi be quite district hospital say President Mahama e ye fake onim ho hwe e ye na Addo danko Akufo Addo ne complete be quite district hospital ne di kan mama ma be kwa district hospital no kra ba kosem na wo no enye otipen ne me be kwa district hospital no a champion na start in 1974 ya abandon hospital na kopem say 2018 enya parliamentary approval na government of Ghana under na Addo danko Akufo Addo ekokwa gi 50 million euros Adibe complete by quite district hospital. You started hospital no 1974. And to say fa appear stadium video bia appear stadium na nka say crash ni chen Kevin Taylor. And then they might be honest. So do omumie no gina ho so omumie no wan na wonyansa. Appear stadium wonyansa chen Kevin Taylor. But just any research in enye and okoye video be say be quite district hospital President Mahama na nsa no adwanye no kore starting 1974 na appear stadium ni ba bia no ni wiase yes etina Addo danko Akufo Addo na 2018 Omukwaji 50 million euros edibe complete be kwa district hospital enti a tampon penso no enipa watima boa ema be kwa district hospital yawie na ne aye hospital dia ma be kwa man aye his excellency na Addo danko Akufo Addo ne nsa no adwuma ba ko na me yi akere no enti na Asante region no 2009 to 2016 no and this hospital amusi ye this hospital amusi ya complete no munkwa famra because tepanya mo de ye Kuffour korongo odomase nyamo de ya se wia nyamo de ya ni nyina ye Kuffour amakire ba bia bosia ne free enye commission no so no ayi project contractor no broni ni campaign say ayi 2009 and irrogate the invest for MD Sikanama Kuffour aban that amuntimi me challenge statement ne ye clear enti in Asante region no muni anything to show the muni man say mo betna aye propaganda na ye wia mene mo be kwanu to road network mo pese nye sa debate na afa na madwene ba fam na adwen na ba fam na mo de ba ye propaganda no mene mo be kona me de mo ba road mo ba be fa kwantempo no so anti producer ni edi kan yi Sabrono hospital no fatire our Asante region Sabrono district hospital na Addo danko Akufo Addo ne start ye ana owie ye enka agenda 111 Sabrono yichire na Kevin Taylor se na Addo ni project bia to show in Asante region Yes, we are Asante region, Sabrono district government hospital. Nanado Danko Akufo Addo. Kevin Taylor said only single project to show in Asante region. Na Asante Fuasara Omudi MPP Chidi and how mo. Not a single project na Akufo Addo betimachre. Sabrono wa biamu ye producer yenu huba no biamu. Na yema omonti ase se show no enye kwasea ne aboa ho adwuma ne ye ba be ye wo ha ono na ne papa tete ne sa ye de be kɔ no sei enti Sabrono Dc hospital biamu na omunhu wawie ane ye nkɔ Swami Dc Swami government hospital fatoso Swami we ye nanado danko Akufo Addo nsa eno na se Kevin Taylor and no by force memana space. Saso pe project ya nanado danko Akufo also nye hwe wa Asante region. Where Swami District Hospital. Me say evidence in the day to one. Swami Municipal Hospital. Yes. Swami Municipal Hospital say ohun ya nanado danko Akufo Addo. Ye si no foforo fe e de ma omo ene na wo ho no. Nanado danko Akufo Addo ne nsa no adwuma no. Yenwie producer ba ebi wo ho yenwie twede hospital twede yes yen ye be start wo fam yenko Manson Kwanta hospital Manson Kwanta yes anegu wono yenko drobon so yen ye dia sokobo fam siye drobon so ene ne da ho no yanhwe calf wo maternity and children's block Comfort Teaching Hospital ho 750 bed maternity and children's block Ati Akufo Addo nyahwe no project we nyina ye started 2017 2018 ene yesi ni nyina ye den awie nti upe projects ni bia won sabe den ebeka ye yo producer afedi fa agenda 111 ne kire we are the first hospital what say Akufo Addo nyahwe wa Asante region no the first hospital 2017 our babamu first 4 years hospital or see ye or starting from the scratch no de ko wie ye e de ma santeman sa disusin na me yi ayere e de akere wo no Kuffour Addo na wo de ne tena se onye hwe no ansa na yaba agenda 111 na nkasa eno nso Asante region MPP ani o mabro me amemeti ameminya bi wo me constituency agenda 111 menya bi e o mo wi a e fe pa na ban we aye se onwie sunya no west de na ban no onye brekum west de ontimi complete ontimi nya because wa panda ni nyina agenda 111 ne be yese Kuffour district hospitals na ode ba ya ye kwaji hu
Upeta chere wa adwen amame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.